Alright, let's go. Oh, shit. All the abaros will be done. That way, all the abaros. Whatever. Yourself. Hey! Yourself. Jesus. I could go for the any percent. what just happened? I didn't have to go through the dialogue there. What the hell? I hope whatever that was legal. Was legal. I don't know what that dialogue was. It didn't do the dialogue. What? I don't what was that? Okay, I hope this run goes through. I don't know. I didn't get to talk to the boss. What? Like, all it is a screech, but still. What? Okay, well, Grandmaster Mario, we're gonna have to see about that. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, Grandmaster Mario. I finished it, but I don't know. Yeah, the screech didn't happen. What is that? Was that a glitch? Was that an accidental glitch or something? I didn't mean to glitch or anything. Like, was that an accidental glitch or something? What the hell? I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Anyways, yeah, Grandmaster Mario. Hope that's good. But yeah, I don't know what that was. All right, we'll see. Grandmaster Mario. Bye.